Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a white sandwich bread. Dry yeast. We are also going to add in 1.5 cups of bread flour. Then we're gonna add salt at last. Now attach the dough hook to the mixer and mix well until well blended. Always, guys, make sure when you start mixing the dry ingredients with the wet, you start your mixer at 1, which is low speed. Next, we're gonna add in the butter and eggs and beat. Almost 8 minutes, guys. Now we're gonna stop the mixer, remove the dough and knead it for another 1 minute. We're gonna knead it this time using hands. It's been 1 hour, guys. The dough is overflowing. Punch it down, then divide it into 2 equal pieces. I like to use kitchen scale to get exact weight for both loaves. If you don't have the kitchen scale, guys, no worries, just eyeball it. After shaping the loaves, place them into 2 loaf pans, cover with a clean kitchen towel, and proof until good. We're gonna bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. The loaves are out of the oven. Guys, my house smells like a bakery. brush the tops with melted butter, and there you have it, guys. White sandwich bread. Subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.